Working with educational testing materials and got a QTB file from ExamView? This is a question bank data file used by educators for test creation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these ExamView QuickTake question bank data files. I highly recommend this quick preparation step. Keep a universal file viewing program installed. It's a lifesaver for bypassing minor QTB corruption, and I'll detail the best one shortly. QTB Files are question bank data files, created by ExamView, a popular educational software suite for creating tests, quizzes, and study materials. They contain collections of questions, answers, explanations, and metadata used by teachers to build customized assessments and learning resources for students. QTB Files use ExamView's proprietary database format, storing questions with multiple choice options, correct answers, explanations, difficulty, levels, topic categories, and learning objectives. The structure supports various question types including multiple choice, true-false short answer, and matching with embedded media references. The ideal software for creation and opening of QTB is ExamView from Turning Technologies. Full file access relies on specialized software that can rebuild the file's index. Windows provides a shell-level view, but the data itself must be read by the intended software. Your essential first move: right-click the QTB file and choose Open With. If ExamView is on your system, select it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that recognizes the format. If you are still having trouble opening the QTB file, do not worry. Now, it boils down to just 3 possibilities. We've prepared a simple list detailing these common culprits and the steps to verify them. First, opening in ExamView. Launch ExamView Test Generator or ExamView Assessment Suite and use File. Then open Question Bank to load the QTB file. The application displays all questions in an editable interface, enabling test creation by selecting questions, specifying point values, and configuring assessment options. Next, importing from publishers. Many QTB files come bundled with textbooks from publishers like Cengage, McGraw-Hill, or Pearson. Verify your textbook includes ExamView resources and access them through the publisher's instructor portal. Publisher-provided QTB files load directly in ExamView for immediate use in test creation. Finally, converting to standard formats. Within ExamView, use the export function to convert QTB content to formats like RTF Word or HTML for use outside ExamView. The exported questions can be edited in word processors or imported into other testing platforms like Blackboard, Canvas, or Moodle through their respective import tools. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.